Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me once again on my quantum analytics project presentation. So here is project 11, where I have the COVID-19 and airport traffic data. In this data set, we have a total of 28 airports across 4 countries, operating in 23 states, 27 cities. Looking at the statistics of airports by country, we can see that US is topping the chart. US is topping the chart with 17 airports, followed by Canada, Australia, and Chile. Also looking at the trend of percent baseline per day, from here we can see that Tuesday has the highest percent baseline per day of over 76,000, while Sunday has the lowest with about 58,000. Also looking at the trend of percent baseline per month, the highest month recorded here is in October with 62,000, while the lowest is in December with just about 4,000. Comparing the total percent baseline by country, the US records the highest percentage with 29.27%, followed by Canada and Australia. Looking at average percent baseline by country, Canada tops the chart with 36.19, followed by US with 30.14, Australia and Chile in that order. Now let's look at what our slicers will give us. I'm using country as slicers. So let me start by, let's say, use Canada. Let me click on Canada and let's see what we're going to have if we use Canada. So looking at Canada, we have 9 airports across 6 states in Canada and 9 cities. So we can see the statistics. So Canada here is having 9 airports in this situation. And not much information. We can see the distribution of airports in Canada from Alberta to, which state is this? Nova Scotia. And you can also see the trend of percent baseline per day. And you can see the trend of percent baseline per month. So this is the information we get if we are using Canada as our slicer. Let me change the slicer and just, let's look at Australia. So looking at Australia, so we just have 1 airport from Australia, 1 state, 1 city, not much information, as you can see, using Australia. So once again, if you use slicers, you can always get different information within the same data set. I hope you all enjoyed this presentation. Please don't go away. I'll be right back with presentation number 12, that is project number 12. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please don't go away. I'll be right back.